Hi. So today the question which I have practiced is subsequence. So the question is very straightforward that we have given two string. This is the first string. Let's say D E F. Second string and another string like D H E G D F. So we have to find a subsequence. So the property of a subsequence is that we should be able to get all the characters in the first string. It should be present into the second string and also in the same ordering, right? Need not to be consecutive, but ordering should be same. So D is first, so yes, D is there. After D I need E is present. Yes, E is present. And then after E, F is present. Yes, F is present. Right? So I can, from this second string, I can create the first string. Like if I delete this, then I can get D, E, F. Right? Same ordering. And similarly, like D, G, E, this is the second input. And this is the thing D. Yes, D is present. G, after D, yes, G is present. So D, G is present. E. So after E should be after G and D. So is there any E after this one? No, E is before. But ordering maintains. Order matters in the subsequence. So that's why we return false. So when I was going through this approach, right, understanding the input, right, that time itself, I think this approach, I got it like the way I have explained you, right, the similar way I actually implemented it. So I thought like, okay, one pointer is here, one pointer is here, right, and I will be iterating from here to here, okay, till any of them is not finished. If both are equal, then I will increment its pointer and also increment its pointer because both are equal. And I have found D here in this is first string, this is second string. So in the first string I have found this, so I have incremented both. Now here if you see that, now I will compare both the second characters. So does second character match? No. If it doesn't match, I will increment only the second string. So but this first string pointer is still at the same time. Now I will match both. Hey, does it match? Yes, they both are matched. So I will increment this both. Okay, so it will point to this. Does F and G match? No. So definitely I cannot increase it because we have to complete all these characters into this second string. So we have to only increase this. D is equals to F? No. So again it this. So F is equals to F? Yes. So increment both, and we have reached till the end, and we have like returned the true, since we have completed all the characters of this first string. So that's the only thing which I have implemented. So here if you see that here I have first string, second string, right? So I have taken a pointer for those, index for both, right? D E F, D H E G D F, right? And here what is the second example? D G E. Let's say D G and this is E. So first index is here. This is my first string index, and this is my second string index. Second string index. So till when I am iterating, till first index is less than, so till they have not reached till end both, right? Till then this loop should work. So first string index is less than its length and second string index is less than its length. Till then I will iterate. Now I am matching the characters of the both. So now I am matching the characters of the both, which is at a particular index. If they both are equal, I am incrementing both. So I will increment the first string index. So this will get incremented, and ultimately second string index will get incremented. If the characters are not matching, then I only have to increment the second string index, not the first string, because that character yet to be find in the target string, you can say that the second string. So this loop will continue goes on, like, and once we reach out of the loop, so we will reach out come out of the loop only two scenarios. One, we will reach to the end of the first string, we will reach to the end, means we have found all the characters in the same sequence. Or another is like we reach to the end of this target string, right? Or we have reached to the end of both. So at last I have just checked, if I have reached till the end of the first string, that only matters, right? If there are so many characters left here in the second string, it and I have reached till here itself, it doesn't matter, right? I have found all the first string characters in the same sequence here, so I am good, right? Even though I come out, if my first string index, this index is reached till the end, I have found all the characters, I will return true, right? So that's return true. Time complexity is big O of n. Space complexity is big O of 1, because I'm using a 2 pointer, no space is required, right? And time complexity is big O of n. Just a sec. So here we are, so let's say n is the, I would say that time complexity is the big O of, so this is, let's say this is s, length is s, and here length is t, right? So what is the maximum we would be iterating? What is the maximum we would be iterating? Actually we will not be iterating the max, we would be iterating the smaller of first string and second string. And in the worst case could be they are both equal. In the worst case could be first string is also, its size is, let's say n, and its size could be also n, right? Otherwise, in the best case, we will only iterate the smallest string itself. Whichever finish first, we will come out of the loop. But since we compute always the worst case time complexity, we have to say that, okay, in the worst case, they both are equal, right? In that case, we can say that, like, let's say if it is, the length is n, right? In the worst case for both, then the time complexity we can say big O of n, right? I was just thinking like if it can be big O of s or big O of t. I don't think so, because in the worst case, if they can be equal, then we can say that it should be like, if worst case is t length is n or s is n, like what could be the size of this string? 50, 100, 200, we don't know. So that maximum we can take. So big O of n is the, I think, the correct one, and space complexity is big O of 1. This is expected with beat 91.26 of users. So yeah, that's my approach, but I really wanted to see your approach, like what's your approach? I know that this is a simple question and have different ways of solving it, so I'm very much looking forward to know the different solutions of it also, man. Thank you. Bye.